Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing of a subscription outdoor box for you. This one is more family friendly or for that Cub Scout or Scout BSA in your life. It is usually packed full of some outdoor goodies that are aimed for more of the novice outdoorsmen as well as scouts who are looking for some fun things to add to their kit. Alright, so let's get started. Like they said, this is by Scouts and for Scouts. So let's see what they have this time. If you ever get this, you'll always see that they've got this great packaging material here. Keeps everything in place. Also makes really great fire starter. So I do not see a card in here, but we'll take a look as we go. So, this first thing appears to be a lamp. Yep, it is a green lamp. Let's see, it appears to have, it's supposed to have a couple of settings, I would think. But it does have what appears to be a clip, so I can put that on anything or hang it from my backpack. Cool little light. So, second thing in my pack is a hang braid survival rope. Rope limit of 200 pounds, 6.8 feet by Wilcore Outdoor. So, my guess is that the idea is you hang this off your pack. It's super light and would be a great addition to anybody's pack. Can use it for splints, arm slings, tourniquets, fishing line, securing your gear, hanging your reining fly, clothesline, hunting snares, and any other thing you could use some 550 paracord for. Next thing here seems to be a big flashlight. It's like a baton. Let's see if it's got any information. Another Wilcore product. Does not turn on right away, so I'm gonna have to find out some more information about that. So the next thing inside appears to be a bandana from Wilcore again. So this is your Be Outdoors bandana, 100% cotton. Let's open it up and take a look. Yep, and it says, as it said, Be Outdoors with a nice logo of a fire. Second to last item in the box says it is a framed lantern. Oh. Let's check this out. So, it is a picture frame. So that's cool. 2x3 wallet picture frame, with the ability to set it on your nightstand to capture your outdoor memories and keep them by your bed or on a table. So that's cool. Something I've not seen before. So, and the last thing is a 3-in-1 phone lens for your tablet or smartphone. Wide angle, macro, or fisheye. It appears to be universal as it just clips on. So, yeah, it says it comes with clips in a bag. So, let's check that out. And it does indeed come with all of that. So we got the bag, the different lenses, which cool, they have covers and caps available. So, expect to see me trying that out in some videos the next time I hit the trail. Let's recap. We have our Be Outdoors bandana from Wilcore. We have our self-defense light. We have our picture frame, our 550, a pack light, and our universal clip-on camera lens this month. So if this collection interests you, consider subscribing to SCOUTbox. And until next time, thanks for watching. Enjoy your time on trail, and we'll see you out there.